Love came as a dulcet tone, humming up above, suspended to one who'd been so very much alone. It said you dolce and blues are ended. Petals of red roses rare, strewn along the path to guide me. The breath of spring had filled the air. I had my love of loves beside me. It was I who heard the song, running drunk on love's expectant wine. Wine tuned sunflower of the moon. The whole universe was mine then. I came down, feet on the ground, and then I love what next would play. I'll never know why, but with a bit of a sigh, love turned and walked away.